So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa automatic on a 12 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think that's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the fuel gauge, and beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the gear the car is currently in, so it's in park at the moment, and the total miles for the car are visible there. And as you can see, they are only 27,091, so very low mileage. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on both sides of the steering wheel. And then the main stereo is over in the centre just here with the screen directly above it that will show you what radio station you're on, for example. You have got AM and FM radio available to you. You can listen to music via this CD player. This car also has auxiliary input as well, so you can plug device into that. And then the main volume for the stereo is just in the centre here. Beneath that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here, and you can turn that off just as easily as you turn it on with our rear heated screen. Below that, we have the auxiliary input I mentioned a moment ago, along with a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.